can see it better. Boom! Look at that! Oh my goodness!
Welcome to this farm.
Hi, Sridhar and Ruby! Yay! Do you know what am I gonna do today?
We are doing the dishwasher with this water and this candle to make. We are doing the experiment with this plate up the fire.
Ooh, yeah, we are making a fire with the sanitizer. So,
And don't
don't
do the kids.
Yeah, kids, don't do it yourself, okay? Because I am gonna do it today. And in case we have the water right here, right? So for that, we gonna use the plate and sanitizer and then the lighter. First, I'm gonna use just a little bit sanitizer in this plate right here. Plate sanitizer. Yeah. Okay, guys, are you ready? Look at that. Whew. Let me turn the light up so you guys can see it better. Boom! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Sanitizer catches the fire because it has the alcohol in it. Yeah, that's all it. There you go, that's cool. See? So just be careful using the sanitizer. And the little one, be careful. Don't ever try this at home, okay? Just a little bit on my, oh wait. Just a little one pump and yeah, that's all. Look at that. But we are strongly saying, just be careful. Don't ever try this, the little one. If you like it, say something about it. Don't forget to subscribe the RS Kids Fun, right, Sriza?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the
Down on the comment.
and the comment, yes, Sriza and Ruby. Yeah, so
will be behind you too.
yeah, so bye. Hand sanitizer just lit up because only the alcohol it's on it. Bye bye.
But